Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install a blind screen product using Vano Seal. It makes it very easy and quick. So here we have our O1 model, which I'm sure many of you are quite familiar with. I'm going to show you offering it in, and as you can see, it's quite loose. I could try and hold that there, reach for my drill, it starts falling out, quite awkward. So what I'm going to do, use our product Vano Seal. I get 5 meters of this in one pack. Got a self-adhesive back, and we tend to stick it up the two sides and along the top. So just knock back from the edge of the frame by about 1 millimeter or 2, up to the top. And when you get to the corner, what you don't want to do is follow it around like that. What you should be doing is pinching it and then follow it around, so you get a nice corner form. So now I've got Vano Seal installed around the edge of the frame. I'm going to offer it back into the recess. So I like to start at an angle. I'm going to fit it right towards the front. And as you see now, I've got that in the recess. I'm free to step away, grab my drill, grab my screws, anything I need. But also you can step away and have a look at it within the recess to see if you're happy with whereabouts it's located. So here I'm going to do some small adjustments, level it out, step back again. Yeah, I'm quite happy with how that's sat. So then what you want is your screws. I'm going to use a screw, just tuck the cords out of the way. You can leave a screw on top, it's always a good tip, helps. You can get your screws in the bottom, you can get your screws in the top. Now if you need to drill out the top and to plug it, you can mark it with your screw, push it back, drill it out, and then bring this back forward to line it up with your hole. So once you've got your screws in and you're ready to install the Sella Trim, the Sella Trim will come 100mm longer than your frame. So all you need to do is just chop it down. So first I'm going to take the side measurements. On this side that is 99.5. And do the angle. Then what you want to do is just cut the point, just so you've got a flat edge at the top. So when you've got your angle cut on your Sella Trim, you can peel the back off, sit it up against the edge of the frame, and then what I like to do is squeeze it against the frame. That way, as you see, the rubber will form up against the wall. You have a little bit of time for adjustment where you can peel it off and stick it back on, but once that's cured, it's set and it's not coming off. You want to do the same for the other side. So what I'm doing here is pushing it against the side, squeezing it onto the frame, so that the rubber forms back up against the wall. And then we have a finished blind screen using Vano Seal and Sella Trim.